Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. Welcome to the 6th of December on this 25-day Brew Company Advent Calendar. Okay, so it's the 6th of December today. It's Papua New Guinea. Yesterday's was Brazil, which is my favourite so far. Papua New Guinea, medium roast, 3 on the intensity scale. Acidity medium. It's got chocolate and lemon taste notes. So we'll go through this quickly, fire it into the grinder, get it ground and get it brewed. Let's do that now. Okay, we've pressed, we've brewed for about 4 or 5 minutes now. Let's give it a taste. I've let it cool down for about a minute because it comes out red hot, obviously. So Papua New Guinea, let's have a taste. It's nice. I like that one. I'm just thinking the lemon, the taste note of lemon. There is a very, I wouldn't call it lemony, but that kind of aftertaste of lemon. So not the sharpness or the sweetness of lemon, that kind of aftertaste of lemon. It does leave that in the back of the mouth, definitely. But definitely chocolate tones, real chocolate. It's nice. I like that. Out of the 6 so far, Brazil's still my favourite from yesterday, but that one definitely out of the others. Didn't have a good time with Colombia. Papua New Guinea is a good one. I like that one. So yeah, as before the other videos, I'll put some information below this below the video in the description about the coffee. There's links to the coffee or to the Brew Company website where you can get discounts on the coffee. So you can get it off the advent calendar, which we've been going through, but you can use the discount code off the individual coffees. Papua New Guinea so far is a close second favourite for me for Brazil. Obviously we're only 6 days into December, so plenty of time to go yet. So yeah, tomorrow, Mexico, day 7. So join me hopefully tomorrow for Mexico. If you've liked this video though, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the coffee, about my French press, my grinder, about me, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply to any questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Advent Calendar journey along or all of our other videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.